Hey guys, Kat here from Arbogast Ford, and I have another awesome lifted truck to show you today. This is a 2019 Ford F-350 Lariat Black Widow lifted truck from SCA Performance. Now we understand that this truck is not for everyone, but that's kind of the idea. SCA makes trucks for those who want to stand out in a crowd. You're not going to see a vehicle like this every day. But the exclusive Black Widow features from SCA Performance are what really set this truck apart from the pack. It comes completely fully loaded with a 6-inch FabTech suspension lift kit, the industry leader in suspension lifts, 20-inch Black Widow wheels, 37-inch BF Goodrich KM3 tires. Speedometer calibration is included. You also have SCA engineered bolt-on fender flares that are only available with a Black Widow package, premium Black Widow badging with the unmistakable Black Widow icon, as well as SCA Performance logo on the back and throughout the rest of the vehicle. Under the hood here, you'll find a 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel power stroke engine. It comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission and dual extra heavy-duty alternators with 377 amps total. Also included from SCA is a performance exhaust upgrade and custom power running boards. When you're short like me, it's a necessary feature. As eye-catching and jaw-dropping as this vehicle is, a truck should still perform. So included is a Class 4 hitch receiver, trailer sway control, trailer brake control, and of course you have the Power Scope trailer tow mirrors with memory. They automatically fold in and power extend. They make towing easier than ever. In addition to the premium Agate Black exterior, this truck is also equipped with a Lariat Ultimate package from Ford Motor Company. This includes a remote start system, integrated tailgate step, and heated and ventilated front seats, along with other features not standard on the Lariat trim. Also includes an engine block heater, a 3.55 electronic locking rear-axle ratio, and a monobeam coil springs front suspension, which is basically a redesigned and upgraded twin I-beam suspension introduced by Ford all the way back in 1965. Now let's take a look at the luxury features that the inside has in store for you. Some interior features from Ford include a premium 10-speaker B&O sound system, an 8-inch HD color touchscreen with Sync 3 technology, and a remote tailgate release button on the key fob, or by using the release button located to the left of the steering column. So guys, come see it today at Arbogast Ford, located right off I-75 at exit 69. You can of course go to Arbogast Ford and get more information on this vehicle, or you can also call us at 888-919-1635. Either way, look for the giant American flag and we'll see you soon.